Articles. An article is a word used to modify a noun. There are two types of articles. Number 1. Indefinite article. A and an. Number 2. Definite article. The. Use of A. A is used before words that start with a consonant. Example: a dog, a cat, etc. Use of an. Number 1. An is used before the words that starts with vowel sounds. Example: an egg, an ox, etc. Number 2. If the word starts with a silent consonant, then an is used before that word. Example: an hour, an honest man, etc. Number 3. If the first letter of a word is a consonant and the pronunciation is vowel. Example: an MLA, an MA, etc. Use of the. Number 1. Use the with any noun when the meaning is specific. Number 2. If the noun is something that can't be counted or something singular, then use. Examples: you, the boy, etc.